Well, at approximately 10:25, 10:30 this morning, I was awoken. Yeah, I slept in late by a sheer. Well, the house shook as if something hit it, and you could hear it just rumble through. A low rumble just come through the house, and then nothing. There was no secondary quake. There was nothing. I ran outside. Even dogs were freaked out. They were looking that way. Well, the direction behind me is the way they were looking. That's the direction the house wobbled. I've had this happen one other time in Antlers, Oklahoma, except it was louder. Like I don't know, just something weird. But it was coming from the direction of Stroud Lake again. So, don't know what it means. Later.